Well, I'm here at LDI, BSC conference for 2023 in the area. I'm going to turn the camera shot around here. Okay. So I think it's about an hour before the event actually starts. So this is going to go for not a lot of people here to impact thousands of people over the next hour. But what I want to bring to your attention is, you know how you log into SAM and you update digital signs? And you do this around the world, right? You do everything from the X-Men castle all the way through to some major cities, and you take it for granted that we do this every day. Okay?
Yeah. Yes.
It's really nice for you to see the output, what digital signage looks like live in Las Vegas, because I would say of all the cities in the world, Las Vegas is basically the center of digital signage. So, when you're doing the size and scale inside SAM, or being able to do LED installs, Harvey?
Yep.
That's all this is. This is just one of the existing control boxes, okay? And in their case, they're doing the same infrastructure, no different. So you could run all of this, no problem, off our existing hardware. You could drop ship this entire wall with the new outdoor bright LED panels that we're shipping, right? Now, I want you to look really close at the screen because you'll see stuff that you'd be like, oh, isn't that interesting? By the way, I want to give it context. Look at the size of people walking by. So this is an indoor, about 3-story high, about 5-story high. So roughly a 60:9 aspect ratio. Okay?
Yep.
This is just an MP4. Imagine what this would be like if it's real-time interactive with our technology. Imagine what that would be like if I could grab a QR code right now on my phone and interact with this entire screen. What you'll see is when the video is playing, there's actually some frame rate drop. There's actually some pixelation with the graphics processing unit for this panel. Okay? So nobody in the public would really notice, but because this is what we do all day long, right? They would actually benefit from knowing about the hardware, what we do, because you would take it where it is right now, which is really, really good, to making it. It would take it from an A to an A++. Understand?
Yes.
But now that you do what you do, out of the system, signage, that's just not a big deal, is it? It's just another install. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Now, how you have the kiosk downstairs? Oh, how'd the meeting go, by the way, with the city of Lan?
I'm gonna work for the layout today.
Are you? Okay.
Yep.
It's identical. See that?
Mhm.
Same kiosk. Cool. Yeah. So I think it matters a lot more to see what this actually looks like in public spaces, right? Cool. So give these guys some compliments. See what they did? Ran the electrical and networking down here. Got into the back. See, they've got the antenna, so it's off the Wi-Fi, and you can see that there's nothing but power going to the back end, right? Okay. So, how quickly could you make a layout like this now?
Yeah, in a minute. I can do that.
In a minute, exactly. Okay. So that's what's cool about all the infrastructure that we built now for the Network Operations Center to be able to do all around the world. Is that everything you're going to see here, you're going to go, oh, this is totally stuff that we already do. Cool? Yeah. So it's not an unknown anymore. You guys are training how to do this, how to do the project management. Every single install that you see in here, you're going to go, oh, that's easy. We already do this stuff. Cool? Yeah. So it's going to be a lot of video footage because we've never really been vocal in this industry that we exist. We have to be pretty low key because we run mission stuff. But now I think it's time for us to actually flex a little bit also in the industry. Now, this is what we're expert at. Now, take a look at the screen for a second. I want you to notice that I'm walking right up to it. See that?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is it's called a really tight pixel pitch indoor LED. So you know how we've been working on those LED panels for outdoor? If you walk really close to them, you'll see the separation between the lights. But these ones are really, really tight. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this is still the little pixels here.
Yep.
Probably only about a 1920 by 1080 portrait layout. So how quickly could you do a design like that now that you know how to use Midjourney, artificial intelligence, and everything you guys do in between Canva and Photoshop?
Yeah, just a quick one.
It's so easy. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. And now this right now is not interactive.
Mm-hmm.
So Vegas welcomes digital signage experience, right? And it's beautiful content. But imagine what this would be like once we do the remote control, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because for me right now, like that QR code would go 2 hours of operation for Las Vegas Loop, which is the Elon Musk's underground tunnels. But imagine there's a QR code here. I went beep, and now I could interact with the screen. You know, we could turn it into anything.
Mm-hmm.
See how exciting that is?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyhow, this is just a couple of examples inside just one small space in Las Vegas. Over the next couple of days, you're going to get footage from me of all of these super high-end installs that range from, normal stuff that you're used to, all the way to wow effects. Okay?
Yep.
There's going to be so much video footage, it's going to be mind up. But we're going to do this for the training program later. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So let's again go to another kiosk. So what you're going to see is this kiosk is the same as you saw before. It's the same one that you have down in the downstairs of the operations center. Okay?
Yeah.
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 So let me try to touch on this. See what happens? So I
Mm-hmm.
touch, and it takes me into a directions section, right? So if I want to go to this place, click on directions, and up pops where to go. So travel time is about 3 minutes, distance 740 feet, right? So this I don't know if this company did this, but this one's called Cloud Touch. So we should probably get a hold of these guys because they would also, I think, be very interested in the Network Operations Center and support that you set up over there. Agreed?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what some of the JTs on the job trainees are going to be learning, is how to help with the setup stuff like this. Okay? Okay, let's close that. Now, if I search through here for Zool, come on, look at that. There's a Zool, which is booth 644. So that's directions. You are here as Zool. I'm going to be in that booth. It's only about 2 minutes, 376 feet away. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to keep walking around and get some more footage, but that's the first couple of videos for DSE 2023. Thank you.